I've been using Alpha Grillers products for all my grilling and kitchen adventures, and they've consistently made cooking easier and more precise. Their tools and thermometers are reliable, durable, and perfect for achieving restaurant-quality results at home. Finding the best Alpha Grillers instant read meat thermometer can make cooking feel much easier, especially when you want perfect results without guessing. The best Alpha Grillers instant read meat thermometer gives fast, accurate readings, which helps avoid overcooked steak or undercooked chicken, something I learned after many backyard cooks and weeknight meals. After testing different thermometers and paying attention to real cooking results, I've seen how speed, accuracy, and clear displays matter most for home cooks and grill lovers alike. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Alpha Grillers Meat Shredder Claws. The Alpha Grillers Meat Shredder Claws are a game changer for any barbecue enthusiast. This set of heavy-duty claws makes shredding pulled pork, lifting roasts, and handling large cuts of meat effortless. I love the ergonomic grip design, which feels natural in my hands and reduces strain during prep. The heat-resistant nylon material ensures safety when dealing with hot meats straight off the grill or smoker. They're also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze after a long cookout. Beyond pulled pork, these claws are versatile. They work perfectly for shredding chicken, lifting turkey, or tossing large salads. One thing to note is that beginners may need a moment to get used to the sharp claws. Overall, these meat shredder claws are practical, durable, and make a thoughtful gift for dads, husbands, or any grill master, a must-have for backyard BBQs. Number 4. Alpha Grillers BBQ Accessories Grill Tools Set. The Alpha Grillers BBQ Accessories Grill Tools Set is a must-have for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. This set includes a spatula with bottle opener, lockable tongs, a sharp fork, and an 18-inch silicone brush. Everything you need for grilling burgers, steaks, or veggies. I love the heavy-duty stainless steel construction. It feels sturdy and built to last, even with frequent backyard barbecues. The ergonomic handles and scalloped grips make flipping and turning food comfortable, and the tools are dishwasher safe, which saves cleanup time. It's perfect not just for home grills, but also for tailgating or camping trips. One minor point is that the spatula could be slightly wider for very large items. Overall, this set is highly functional, durable, and makes a fantastic gift for dads, husbands, or any grilling fan. It's a reliable companion for year-round barbecue fun. Number 3. Alpha Grillers Instant Food Thermometer Long Probe. The Alpha Grillers Instant Food Thermometer Long Probe is a reliable tool for anyone serious about cooking meat or baking. I've found the long temperature probe extremely useful for checking thick cuts of meat and deep dish dishes without struggling. The large backlit display makes it easy to read temperatures even when grilling outdoors at night. It's fast, too, providing readings in just 2 to 3 seconds, which helps prevent overcooking. I've used it for sourdough bread, barbecue, and even candy making, and it works consistently every time. Cleanup is simple thanks to the water-resistant design, and the compact size fits nicely in a kitchen drawer. One thing to note is that it's battery-powered, so keeping an extra CR2032 handy is helpful. Overall, this thermometer is accurate, user-friendly, and a great gift idea for anyone who loves cooking, grilling, or baking. Number 2. Alpha Grillers Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Grillers Instant Read Digital Meat Thermometer quickly became one of those tools I reach for every time I cook meat. I like how fast the readings appear, which helps avoid overcooking steaks or drying out chicken. The fast read system makes checking temperatures feel easy, even when grilling outside or cooking in a busy kitchen. I also appreciate the waterproof design, since cleanup is simple after messy barbecue sessions. The large backlit display is clear at night, which is helpful during evening grilling. It works well for meat, baking, and even candy making, so it feels versatile for everyday cooking. One small downside is that the probe feels thin, so gentle handling helps it last longer. Still, for the price, it delivers reliable accuracy and makes cooking feel more confident and relaxed, especially if you want consistent results every time. Number 1. Alpha Grillers Digital Meat Thermometer with Probe. The Alpha Grillers Digital Meat Thermometer with Probe made cooking feel more relaxed because I no longer had to guess when food was done. I like how the readings stay accurate, especially when grilling chicken or slow-cooking ribs. The USDA preset temps help a lot when you want safe results without checking charts every time. I also found the high heat probe useful since it handles oven and smoker heat without worry. The large display is easy to read, even when cooking outdoors or in low light. Timer and alarm modes make multitasking simple during busy meals. It feels reliable for barbecue, roasting, and everyday cooking. The only downside is the wired probe, which needs a bit of care when moving food around. Still, for the price, it delivers steady performance and helps cook meat with more confidence every time. Final verdict. If you want a reliable and accurate tool for grilling, roasting, or smoking, I personally recommend the Alpha Griller's digital meat thermometer with probe as the best overall product. Its wired probe and preset temperature alerts help you cook meat perfectly every time, which makes it a great pick for everyday cooks and backyard chefs alike. For those who want simplicity and speed, especially on a budget, the Alpha Griller's Instant Read digital meat thermometer is a smart choice. Its instant readings and backlit display make it ideal for quick checks on steaks, chicken, or bread without any fuss. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the Alpha Griller's meat thermometer that fits your style and need best.